Hi everyone, Librarian Jackie here with the Central Park Library. I have another story for you today, and it's called Don't Push the Button. This is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. See it right there? Seriously, don't even think about it. I think Larry's pretty serious about this. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Don't be tempted. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. What do you think? Should we listen to Larry? Did you guys push it? Let's try it. Push. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. All right, let's do it together. Boop. Eek. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Let's do it twice. Ready? 1, 2. Ack! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Okay, let's do it. I think that's enough. Uh-oh. What happened? It looks like there's a bunch of Larrys now. Oh boy. Shake the book to get rid of some of the extra Larrys. Okay, let's shake it. I hope it's working. All right, almost. A little more. So we got rid of a lot of them. Let's try shaking it again. Hopefully this is helping Larry out. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Let's scratch his tummy. Hee hee! That tickles! Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Should we do it? The end. And there's multiple Larrys again. What a silly book. Let's clap for it, shall we? Yay! All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me today, and I really hope that you enjoyed this book. Don't push the button. I'll see you next time. Bye!